So I'm here with Riki Tizirin from HP. I'm talking about the Indigo 20,000. Obviously, you've just sold this press to Whip.
Correct.
And it's heading to them after the show.
Correct.
And you've been working with them for a long time on making this happen. So
yes.
From your point of view, how exciting is it to have someone like Whip come on as a beta test site for the new Indigo?
So completely very mega excitement. Whip company invested in the Indigo 6600 in order to be ready for this Indigo 20,000 because, as you know, it's a very similar technology, very similar ink, very similar customers. Yeah. We doubled the width of the press, so for them was a big investment to put first Indigo 6600 just to have their customers and their suppliers ready for the Indigo 20,000. So the work that we've been doing in the last year with the Whip company was intensively around finding the right application, identifying the right materials.
Building their business.
Absolutely. Absolutely, yes, definitely. We've been very, very proactive, helping them gaining new business and gathering new application that are very, very, very suitable for flexible packaging.
Yeah. Which is, of course, is what you want from this press, because I understand it's a very versatile piece of equipment. And
correct.
It's able to do many different things. And
correct.
Many supply both labels and the flexible packaging market. So to have your customers who are reaching out and finding new applications and new avenues for business.
Correct.
It really, I guess, must justify all the investment and work that's going into the Indigo series.
Actually, for Europe, for EMEA, we will have another couple of beta units. Will be in the beginning of the year, and each one of them will target different market. So one of them will look more into labels. The other customer will look into different area of flexible packaging. But at the end, next year in Interpack 2014, when we are going to release this product out, we will have experience in all segment, which is this Indigo 20,000 can provide solution.
Yeah. So in the future, after Interpack, do you anticipate a lot of repeat customers of people who have already got Indigo kits coming and upgrading, or is it going to be an equal share with new people who are looking to get into digital?
That's a good question, because we believe that for the label industry, we have a few interest across Europe that already showed interest. For flexible packaging is completely new customers that will walk into HP Indigo world and will invest together with us in this market. In the label is different, because we find that some of the customers will find benefit going wider for their existing business. So it's very, very interesting mixture. We are very excited about it because it's also new and existing. So
yeah, it's a good marry of the two to have established and new, exciting, and finding new revenues and new avenues and new ways of doing business.
I'm enjoying my job very much.
It's a great time to be in the label industry, to have this kind of exciting technology coming out that is really presenting such new and exciting ways.
I agree.
Of doing business and making money, really, at the end of the day.
I agree.
That's what everybody wants to do. So
and don't forget that for us, for flexible packaging, is mainly finding new business opportunity. We're less interested in converting existing very long runs on the Indigo. It's for us to go to Nestle, Unilever, Mars, and all those big brands and tell them, hey, why don't we do together a more medium runs together? So many SKUs, a lot of color. So this is the motivation, and for us, the Indigo people, it's extremely interested.
Yeah, and in terms of that, and how you're developing the business, are you working very closely with the brands directly and educating them on the new Indigo series, or on what they can do and what they offer and what now their printers can offer?
Yes.
If they have this technology.
So to be honest, I would like for us to do it more, but we are very, very busy with selling those machines. But normally HP Indigo has a very good record in working to the brands, and we have a few colleagues of us that is very active. I'd like to see a little bit more into that, and I think next year for me and my colleagues, will be very, very strongly going there, and because that's the key of the success. Whatever HP Indigo did for the label industry, it will be repeated again for the flexible packaging, and that's a promise.
Yeah. Okay. Well, could and also, I mean, the brands, what's affecting the brands is really going to shape the market, particularly the digital market. It's
Correct.
Very, very heavily led by
Correct.
what the brands need and want, and as a result, what the printers have to offer.
Absolutely.
It's very good. It's
Yes.
good technology, and it's good to see it, and
Very
good to
exciting.
hear of it being sold.
Very exciting.
Brilliant. Okay.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, Riki.
Thank you very much.